Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use TOR Browser. But before going in, what is TOR Browser? Well, TOR Browser promises a lot more privacy features you'll be able to explore freely, as you can see right here, and defend yourself against tracking and surveillance. So it promises more privacy compared to other browsers, and it is available on any device. So whether you're using a Windows device or an Apple device, you will be able to get TOR Browser, as you can see right here. You can read more about it. So all you'll need to do is go onto torproject.org. Once on torproject.org, you are going to tap right where you see download for browser. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. And again, it all depends on the type of device that you're on. Whether you're on a Windows device, a macOS device, a Linux device, or Android, you can select whichever one. All you have to do is tap on download below the sign. Once you have tapped on download, you will see the file downloaded. Then from there, all you have to do is tap on open. Then you're going to select the language that you'd like to use. And after you have selected the language you'd like to use and you have complete installation, you'll be redirected to this page. And you will see success. You are equipped to browse freely. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is open the TOR browser, as you can see right here. Then you're going to tap on connect. Once you have tapped on connect, you can see that it is establishing a connection. So you are going to give it a few seconds to establish. Once it has been connected, you can see right here, you can now explore privately. So all you would need to do now, you can tap on search with DuckDuckGo right here, and you could type in whatever you would like. So let's say, for example, I type in ChatGPT right here, then tap on enter. Let me show you how it looks, and you can see how this browser looks, so to see if you like it or not. And this is how it would come up right here. And again, it has images right here, just like Google Chrome. You have videos, you have news, maps, and from here you can also choose your location. So you can tap right there and see the region which you would like to search in. So whether you would like to select all regions or you would like to search in a particular country, you can do that and simply toggle it on right there. After you have done that, you can select whether you like save search. You can tap on that, whether you like it to be strict, moderate, or off. And you can also tap on the settings cog right here, and you'll be able to change the appearance. So if you would like to put it in dark mode, you could put it in dark mode. If you would like to increase the font size, right where you see font size, you could tap right there. And if you would like it to be larger, you could tap on larger. If you would like this font size to be medium, you could tap on medium right there. And you can also change the font style by tapping right where you see font. So let's say I want to use Arial, I could do that right there. And also, if you would like to activate infinite scroll, you could simply toggle that on right there. And if you would like to open links in a new tab, you could do that. But let's go into the settings overall. So I'm going to tap on all settings. Once in all settings, you are going to be redirected to this page, and you can see that this is the DuckDuckGo settings right here. And again, you'll be able to change your appearance, as you can see right there. You can also choose the browser language, and again, you can set up the safe search. And you'll see also the instant answers. You can toggle that on or off if you want. On or off infinite scroll. And if you would like to toggle on autocomplete suggestions, you can do that, as you can see right here. And you can also see advertisements. If you want to turn that off, you can also do that. And you will be able to edit all of the settings in this section for the browser. And once you're finished, all you would have to do. So let's tap on save and exit and go back to the first page. Once on the home page again, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see three dots. You're going to tap on that. And from here, if you would like to open a second tab, you could do that by tapping on New Tab. If you would like to open a second window, you could also do that right here by tapping right there. If you would like to tap on New Identity, you can do that, and you can see TOR Browser will close all windows and tab. Restart TOR Browser now to reset your identity, and you could tap on Restart to TOR Browser. But for this example, I don't want to do that. You can also edit your bookmarks by tapping on Bookmarks right here. So if you would like to remove a bookmark, you could tap on Manage Bookmarks at the bottom of the page, and from there you'll be able to edit your bookmark. For example, let me tap on Manage Bookmarks real quick. Once you have tapped on Manage Bookmarks, you'll be redirected to this page, and you would see all of your bookmarks. So from there, you could select the bookmark that you would like to remove. You can also see your downloads by tapping on Downloads right here. So let's go back now that I've shown you how to remove bookmarks. From here, you can scroll down and you can see your browser history by tapping on History right there. And again, if you would like to see downloads, you could tap on Downloads. If you would like to see the saved passwords, you could tap on Passwords, and you would be able to see your saved passwords. And scrolling down, if you would like to add anything or themes, you can tap on Addons, and then from there you could select Themes. Then you can scroll down and you can choose from any one of these themes. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one. I could tap on Enable, and you can see that the background theme has changed. Also, if you would like to add any plugins, you could tap on Plugins right here, and again you could tap at the top for extensions. Let's go back to the main again, and you can see that it has changed. The background has changed right there, and you can see that the color in this box also has changed. And if you would like to increase or decrease the zoom, you can do that. If you would like to print a page, you will tap on Print Page right there. If you would like to save a page, you can also do that, as you can see right there. And if you would like access to more tools, you could tap on More Tools, and from there you'll get access to more tools. If you would like to go further into the settings, we could tap on Settings, and whether you would like it to open up and start up, or you'd like to choose the particular page that opens when you start up TOR Browser, you can do that right here. So you can also scroll down, and if you would like to set up privacy and security, you can do that also. So in this section, you'll be able to clear cookies and site data, and you'll also be able to see your logins and password, as you can see right here, clear history, and you can also organize your address bar, as you can see right here. And if you would like to grant access to your location, you can do that. Access to your camera, you can do that. All you'd have to do is tap on Settings. After you have tapped on Settings, you could search for the particular website that you would like to grant access to, and you could give it access. And you can also do that to your microphone also. And if you would like to toggle on or off autoplay, all you have to do is tap on Settings beside it, and then from there you can choose the website that you would like to grant access to autoplay. And if you want to block pop-ups, you can do that. It is automatically selected, as you can see right here. And if you would like to increase your security level, all you have to do is scroll down, and from there you can select Safest if you want. At the moment it automatically comes on standard, but you can choose if you would like to increase your security level. And then let's go over to connections. So by tapping on connections, you can see that it is connected right there. If you would like to enable quick start, you can tap on always connect automatically if you want. And that's about it when it comes on to the TOR browser. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.